Okay, and so for my first tutorial here, I'm going to be showing Lakitu skin. So this is the way I do it to get it very consistent. So the first thing you're going to notice here is where we're facing. So we're actually facing, in comparison to the bridge, we're facing quick angle. So the bridge is actually like right here. Now the thing about this camera in the game is that we need to get the camera time to adjust and make like it. So in order for you to have a straight camera for this, you're gonna need to be facing straight. So to do that, we're gonna have to set Mario up kind of nicely. So let me just show an example real quick, and then I'll go ahead and explain it. So there we go, Lakitu skip. I did forget to save state, but let's see if I can get across the bridge. Okay, nice. So we're just gonna swim back to the other side. So the big thing about what happened there is that first I started angling Mario to the right so that we could get a straight angle. So the big idea is where we started. Now, I should have save stated. But basically, this is where we start. With Mario kind of like this. So you want to do basically two long jumps this way towards this line of the castle. You'll notice where Mario is kind of facing. So let me just get Mario facing towards the line, basically. Okay, so we're basically facing this line of the castle. You can see right above Mario's head is this like line of the castle. You basically want to go up here because that's when Mario gets this straight angle on the bridge. And you'll notice, if we have the straight angle, we can just do two straight up long jumps, and we make it across. You don't even really have to think about it, you could just hold straight up, and then just long jump, but only if you're straight on the left-hand side. So I think that basically covers it. The biggest thing that I do in the run to make it fast is this jump dive, which you'll see me doing kind of a lot, but that's not the point. Let's see. So again, just to recap, two long jumps towards that line I was telling you about. You then go left, and you try to get the camera to straighten out. The goal is kind of for the camera to be looking like pretty much straight on. Yeah, like this. And again, we can kind of do two long jumps. Now, if you miss, you're gonna have this cutscene. So, yeah. So that basically covers it. It's just you want to be straight with the bridge, and to get the correct straight angle, you're gonna want to go towards this line, and then you go left, and then you do your two long jumps. The other thing is you basically want to be hitting like the multiple long jumps at the same time, so kind of just like you want to be hitting kind of in that instant long jump. You don't want to be walking at all, because that gives your Mario time to sort of get off that left side of the bridge. So you just want to do pretty much an instant long jump, which is just holding Z, which you'll see, now this is my Z button here, there's the LT here. You'll see I'm holding it down while just pressing A when he lands on the ground. And that's kind of how you get infinite long jumps kind of forever. So, that's kind of what you want, is you don't want Mario to have any time to run, just another long jump instantly after. So hopefully this helps. Let me know. Thanks.